Well, friends, it incorporates with the very ultimate conception of defining a body language. Well, we know how we respond to our senses, the way we speak, the way we talk, the way we have our facial expressions. Everything relates to the body language. But when we are there online, visible, maybe at times, or else we are offline with the reference of no physical connection, the dwelling concentrates to the very understanding of the body language in particular. It is the exact thing as that of the very reference we achieve while talking to somebody. Here, when we talk about the digital body language, it refers to the exact same thing as a body language, but here you're not tracking any physical behavior, but online interaction patterns. Your online body language, for example, through tracking how a user behaves or interacts on a page, we can assume how they feel. Even you can extract that data from clicks, the time on a page, the page scrolls, and more and more. By tracking those online behaviors, you can get as close as it gets to their physical body language in particular. And that goes with the very inception of how we define the body language in particular. At times, we need to ponder how many times did we have a negative reaction to an email or a message or a text in particular. We react, we respond, and of course, this new body language format has become the new head and cues about what's happening around us in particular. Friends, as an inception, we need to learn to ponder over our activities online and the reaction of others in particular. Well, this refers to every interaction and the gesture an individual makes on a website or an app. It ranges from particularly fast at that process to the very format, how we move our mouse, how and when we click, we double click, and at times we must have observed unconsciously that we have a habit of refreshing our screen with no very reason, and that is exploring the tense moments online that we tend to refresh the screen all at a time. We'll minimize, maximize, and that's the difference. How we hover over, how we scroll to the device rotations, the rate at which we tend to do these things, switching from one website to the other, one screen to the other, and exploring the digital body language activates in this particular format. It also defines about our responses we receive over mail, the timings of the email we receive, the use of the comma, the closing and the ending of an email or a message matters at times. And to people, it is just like writing in capital letters, where we tend to believe in some of the etiquettes while working online in particular. That matters.